How to fix an Unreal process has crashed error for Fortnite in your Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can fix the potential error that a lot of players receive. That is that an Unreal process has unfortunately crashed. So this happens when there are a lot of processes running in the background with the Unreal Engine, or in this case, the Epic Games. So all you will need to do is simply end those processes and hopefully your error will be resolved. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing is that you press the Control Shift or the Escape key, or if it is not working for you, you can simply search for the Task Manager. Now double click onto the task manager and you will see a window like this. Now from here, make sure that you find the Epic Games or something of that sort which resembles with the Fortnite application. So it could be a hectic task, but it is important that we finish that particular process. You can also search in for the name if you would like. So for example, if I will search here the Epic game, so I could not find any particular search result. But in your case, if you find any particular result that resonates with the Epic, then simply right click over to that particular task and click onto this end task. Now, once you will do this, there is a lot of chance that your issue will be resolved. Then apart from that, what you can also do is simply click onto this arrow icon from here. And from here, if you see any Epic Game Launcher, so right click onto this and click onto this exit button. And that too might also prove to be helpful in resolving your error. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.